Yeah, no, I'm not gonna go to the other place. I'm gonna call it right there because that just gave me probably a little too much confidence. So, I'm gonna text my homie's wife and be like, hey, can I use your hose? I want this salt off of my bike. Also gonna change the batteries. Oh, my phone's at 5%. Oh, what nice woman. 20-minute notice. Hey, can I use your shit? Yup.
I can't go with my
Sidequest.
food right now.
Yeah.
I'll be out in like a minute.
Honestly, that should be good, but I'll give her one more rinse down when we get back. I didn't realize it. That was actually a side quest, and the reward is that I get to wash my bike off. Successful. Now, another side quest. There's a fat cat over there, and I'm gonna try and grab it. I got the fat cat. Look at this big belly kitty cat. You're so big. Oh. There you go. Alright, let's wash her off one more time and get out of here. Yeah. Oh, that was good. That made my day that was not good a good day.